Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Charisse Rochelle and this is my first ever video. Get comfy. So I decided to make a YouTube channel because I kind of thought to myself, oh, I don't really have a hobby as such, and yes, it's something to do while the whole country's in lockdown. While the UK is in lockdown, apart from going to work, it's like, what else are you gonna do? So yeah, decided to make my first ever video for YouTube. Today I am going to be doing a video comparing two different top brand foundations. I'm going to basically do one half of my face with one foundation and the other half of my face with the other foundation, and kind of see which one looks better, kind of pros and cons, weighing up different things that you get from the foundations. So at first I am going to put a primer on. It's a matte primer, so I usually use MAC. There's not much left, so you only need a little bit anyway. I've had this for ages. So yeah, literally like tiny blob. A bit on your fingertips, you kind of, especially in your T-zones where you might get a bit of a shine. It goes all over. And yeah, that's it. Got a primer on. Right, so as you probably guessed, the first one that I'm going to be doing is MAC. Now this is the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in I'm a shade NC45. I have had this and I've used this for a very long time, and yeah, I do love this one, I can't lie to you. So yeah, might as well get started. Today, this is not my favourite brush, but I'm going to use something different because I always use my favourite brush and it makes this one my absolute fave to wear. So today I've got a fairly new brush that I'm still quite getting used to. It's the Real Techniques foundation brush in number 209. That's 209. Right, so literally with this one you don't really need quite a lot. It's quite a full coverage foundation, but yeah, I've put quite a bit on, so just so we can see how it's gonna look on. I'll do this side first. So there we go. Where my nose? Oh, how mad is it that the country's on lockdown? Like, I just think it's ridiculous. Like, it's so weird that like you can't even go out and do anything. Like, the only place you can literally go is like Tesco. It's mad. So this one just goes on smoothly. It's really nice, good little coverage. I've got quite a few like dark marks on my face at the moment. It's kind of just due to like stress and like not eating very well the last couple of weeks because I've just been stressed and busy at work and stuff. So yeah, it's just not amazing. I'd probably put a tiny bit more just to kind of cover those dark marks. So this is almost finished, so you know, it's trying to squeeze out a tiny bit so don't waste it. There we go. So we've got just a little bit. So you see where you've got them dark marks. I think with this brush, I think I need a more firmer brush. I'm not a huge fan of this brush, but I thought I'll probably be biased if I use my favourite brush with this foundation. So I thought, no, I'm going to use a neutral brush that I haven't really used a lot. I bought this brush and I've probably used it twice. So I do actually need to get used to it. So yeah, so that's the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. Right, you can see like it gives you a little bit of a, it's not, I wouldn't say it's too much, but you can see there's a little something on there. Next up, I have Gus, another leading brand. New, it's your Rihanna's Fenty Beauty. Now this one I wanted for quite a long time, and then I managed to get it for my birthday. My mum worked for me for my birthday. Pick up me, you mum. When I tried it in the shop to get a colour match, it looked absolutely amazing, and the lady in Boots was absolutely amazing. I'm not a huge makeup person, so I'll just say that from now. I'm not a huge makeup wearer. I don't wear makeup every single day. I kind of just do like natural makeup. So yeah, so when this obviously makeup artist did do it in the shop, it was amazing and I loved it. But then when I got it home, I was a bit unsure. But yeah, let's try this and see how it goes. I feel like with this one, it's not so much of a full coverage. So with this one, you kind of need a little bit more to kind of cover your marks and things that are on your face. This one is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So it's quite good. It's not waterproof, but hey ho, I'm not going to be going swimming with foundation on my face, so yeah, the most water that's going to get onto my face is probably when it rains. Even then, who likes to be outside in the rain? I really don't. So yeah, let's get this on and see how it goes. This one, I feel like, yeah, with this one you do kind of need a little bit more. But then it takes more blending, which I don't usually have the patience for, to be honest. Before I asked for this one for my birthday, I watched a YouTube tutorial from a lady who compared this foundation and the Huda Beauty one, and at the end of it I was still so torn as to which one I wanted. So I think that the Huda Beauty one might actually be my next purchase, to see which one is better on my skin. This one, once you kind of blend it all in, it's quite nice, but I feel like you do need quite a lot. Whereas like with the MAC one, I didn't actually put on so much. I put on a little bit extra to cover the dark marks, which I still kind of need to do over here. But I don't have as many marks on this side of my face than I do on this side, so yeah. But yeah, no, let me know. Have you tried the MAC? Have you tried the Fenty? Have you tried the Huda Beauty? Like, which one's your favourite? Let me know. I think this one, the Fenty, I think it was £27. The MAC one is £30, I think it is. But yeah, this one looks like, this one probably for me would be like more of a daytime look, whereas this time the MAC one would probably be like more an evening look. But yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. The hair's looking a bit wild. But yeah, we'll have a look and see. But yeah, I think with this kind of like, with the lighting, I think I do prefer the Fenty. But it's really weird when I'm going out and I am getting ready and it's just like a normal lighting in my bedroom, I think I prefer the MAC. That's why I thought, oh, let me do this video, because I still wasn't sure. I mean, my birthday was in January, it's now March, end of March. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? It's end of March. Like, can you believe it? It's basically April already, 4 months gone. I mean, 2020 has just been mad. But what is with this coronavirus? I mean, it's just crazy. Like, how do you how does something just spread so quick and kill off so many people? Like, I just don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, this is the Fenty, and this is the MAC. I'm not going to touch that with that brush again. Put my brush back. So you've got your MAC, Pro Longwear, waterproof in your NC45, and then you've got your Fenty Beauty. I didn't even tell you what shade this was actually. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter 350. It's 350. So that's this side. Yeah, in this lighting, I think I do prefer this one. Although in natural lighting, I think this actually is better. But I'm still undecided. Yeah, let's try and put on a little bit more makeup and see. So I've got this powder. This is my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. It is in the shade Dark Deepest. Couldn't tell you how much this was because I've had it for absolutely ages. It's almost finished. But yeah, I've had that for ages. We put a little bit on. This brush, surprisingly, is from Savers. Like, don't knock it, guys. $2.99 from Savers, and it's such a good brush. The bristles were actually multicoloured as well. But yeah, it was a really, really nice brush. This is my Fenty side. Put a little bit there. Oh. So even though I've got Fenty foundation, I've put on a MAC kind of powder, and it looks pretty good. If I put it on this side, let's see how it looks. This is the MAC side. Oh. Yeah, it still looks pretty good. I've got unbiased though, to be fair, because this is what I use. But yeah, let me know what you think. So this is MAC, this is Fenty. Let me know. That way. What else do I have in this little bag? Oh, I've got some highlighter. Going forward with the MAC. Going back to my Real Technique brushes. Gotta love this one. I use this one for my highlight. But yeah, this is the Gold Deposit in the Mineralize Skinfinish range again. From MAC. Again, I do like my MAC. Don't even get it twisted. But yeah, again, it's nearly finished. Couldn't tell you how much it was. I cannot remember. But yeah, it's lasted me for absolutely ages. Like I said, I don't wear makeup every single day. But yeah, just a little bit here, a little bit here. Bit down on the top of the nose, bit on the chin. You gotta get your like kind of T-zones. Right, I'll pop that away. I've got another one that I quite often like to use as well as a highlighter. Ooh. So yeah, got another one as I quite often like to use as a highlighter. Just get it out of the box. I'm quite a hoarder for the boxes. Like when they come in boxes, I love to just keep them in the box. Like my makeup bag is like, because I've got them all in boxes. So yeah, something that's not MAC. Kiko. No, joking. This is the Kiko Long Lasting Wet and Dry Use Eyeshadow in shade number 208. That's 208. Oh, if I can open it. So sometimes I like to use this one as a highlight as well. Look how beautiful that is. That is so cute. So shiny. If I get that in there. So shiny. Let's put a little bit here to show you guys. But yeah, that is just the highlight would be popping. Let me even show you what it looks like on. So I'm just putting a little bit because I'm not actually going out, but yeah. And I've already got the MAC one on, but it kind of just enhances it. Can you believe this is an eyeshadow? Like, there's no way this is an eyeshadow. I'm so sorry. This just looks so... There's no way. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think the MAC side looks better, or the Fenty side looks better? So remember, the MAC is £30, and the Fenty is 27. But yeah, I think they both got their pros and cons. Like, I quite like the Fenty for like a daytime look, but then like the MAC, I kind of think it's better for like your going out kind of look. Kind of when you want to show that you've got a bit more on, whereas the Fenty is more, it blends to your skin. It's more natural. I don't know if that might be because this is my actual skin colour. It doesn't look it. You wouldn't think, would you, that this is my skin tone? When the lady picked this out for me in the shop, because not gonna lie, I just went there and I was like, I need a colour match, and she was just like, right, what foundation are you after? What is your skin type? My skin type, oh, I think my skin type is quite different. Like, it's more, I'd say it's a combination. So in the morning, like once I've done my like skincare routine, I've washed my face and blah blah blah, as soon as I dry it, my skin goes so dry, like just dry, like it looks ridiculous. Like when I start to pencil my eyebrows in the morning, like it's just like flaky and it's horrible. However, give it like an hour, it's no longer dry. If I even dare to like put cream, like cocoa butter, anything, any sort of cream on my face, that's it. The nose, oh my gosh, my nose is just oil. Like, oil is too much, way too much. So yeah, I don't know, I think I prefer like to just not put anything as such on my face in the morning. Like, I'd rather moisturise and everything my face at night before I go to bed. But yeah, I think mine's more like a combination of dry and oily. It's weird, it's really weird. So yeah, it's kind of, I think with skincare as well, it's kind of like finding the right products for you. Like, someone could tell you that their skin is oily and then they can recommend you to use a product and it's not the right product for you, honey. And yeah, like it could be like the product is like, it doesn't work on your skin, or sorry guys, I'm about to anti-back my hands, you know, this corona out here is real, and especially when you're touching your face and stuff, like it's so important to keep your hands clean. But yeah, I love this stuff as well. It smells so nice. It smells like aloe vera. It's from Tesco actually. It's Tesco antibacterial hand gel with aloe vera extract. It's real good. If you can, I definitely advise you get one of these. I think it was like £1.10, £1, really cheap, and it lasts quite a while. They do the big ones as well, but this one's great because you can fit it in your pocket, you can fit it in your handbag. Goes everywhere with me. It was just on the table, so I just picked it up and used it. But yeah, so good. But yeah, if you liked this video, comment, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Follow my social media platforms, which I will be putting down below. Yeah, let me know which foundation you thought was best. Yeah, thank you for watching. That was my first video, guys. I was so happy, so excited. Yeah, gotta get editing, or I don't know, I might not edit it, I might just kind of send it out there raw, something a little bit original. Yeah, can't wait to see you guys again.